Hello guys! Today we are cooking very tasty turkey mini burgers. My friend asked me to share this recipe because many kids go crazy for it. My kids are not fans of meat, but they love these turkey burgers for some reason. They're easy to prepare and we will need just few ingredients. 400 grams of turkey mince, 1 egg, 1 slice of soft bread, some breadcrumbs, a quarter of a cup of milk, salt and pepper, and 2 or 3 tablespoons of frying oil. First of all, let's soak a soft part of a bread in some milk. Just enough to cover the bread. Maybe 2 tablespoons, something like this. Not too much of milk. Slightly more, 2-3 tablespoons to soften the mince. Look, something like this. Okay? Then I take our mince, place it in a bowl, and add the other ingredients. Our breadcrumbs, soaked breadcrumbs, 1 egg, some salt, and just tiny bit of pepper. Okay. And mix well with the clean hands, so there is quite a sticky mixture. That's fine, don't worry about it. Meanwhile, I heat some oil in a frying pan. 2 tablespoons is enough. Okay. I heat it over medium heat. And while the oil is heating, I will make our burgers. Just with the help of a tablespoon, I put some mixture inside the breadcrumbs, cover the bowl with some breadcrumbs and squash slightly with my hands. Okay, look. When the oil is hot, I will fry them. Do the same with the rest of the burgers. Okay. So you see, I placed our burgers on a frying pan when the oil is hot, and I will fry them from both sides until slightly golden, and the juice from inside should come clear.